Hi everyone, welcome back to another launch from FlexPrice team, or how we call it, commit number 2. This particular launch is meant for companies that are shipping very fast and are selling to enterprise customers. Now suppose you are a voice agent company and you have created pricing plan that works well if in case you are selling 10k units per month. However, you have closed a new customer which has a requirement of 1 million units per month. At that particular time, you don't want to charge $0.16 per unit, but you want to charge $0.13 per unit. So I'll show you how you can easily do these workflows using FlexPrice. So I've created a demo customer. Now let me try to assign a plan to that particular customer. Now you see that there is advanced, custom, standard, the charges that we have created. Now you click here and you have an option to overwrite the plan. Say I don't want to charge them 0.16 but I want to charge them 0.14. And you can simply see that these charges are reflected over here and you can assign this particular subscription to that user. Now you want to give 20% discount to that particular user that you are creating for the first 3 months of the billing period. You simply go here and create a coupon. 20% off. You have an option to choose in between fixed amount or percentage. Now say I want to give 20% discount. You have an option that you want to give it once, you want to repeat it, or you want to give it forever. So if in case I click on repeat, I have an option to specify for how many billing periods I want to give this particular discount for. So here send to. Created a coupon. Now simply by going to another customer and assigning this particular subscription to them, I can apply discounts by selecting this particular coupon and add subscription. Now, other than this, we have a configuration of taxes available on our platform where you can simply create the tax with say VAT. You have an option to give percentage or a fixed amount. Say I want to give 10% and I have created the tax rule. Now, whenever I assign a particular subscription to a customer, I can create or select this particular tax rate. And this will simply click on add subscription. Now we have successfully launched integration with Stripe as well. You simply have to go to the integrations part, click on Stripe and add the details over here and click on save connections. As soon as you'll do this, say create a customer, demo customer 3, and I click on save customer, you'll see that this particular customer will be reflected on the Stripe dashboard. Here it is. Other than this, if in case you create a customer on Stripe, it will be reflected on the FlexPrice dashboard. Other than creating the customer, we have payment integration as well, wherein if in case a payment is successfully done using Stripe as a PG, it will be reflected automatically on the FlexPrice dashboard, as well as if in case there is any particular failure, then we have webhooks available. Another feature that we have added in this particular launch is max segregation. What that actually means is if in case you want to charge your customer based on highest time that the customer has spent on your platform or highest time that the particular customer has used your product within a given bucket, you can do that very easily. So for example, if in case I try to write the name here, create a mirrored feature, then you have an option to select max, which you can mention the aggregation field, as well as you can choose the bucket size. So for example, you want this max value to add up for every hour, for every 3 hours or every 6 hours. And you can simply save this particular feature. Thank you so much everyone.